Hello children, welcome to the computer class of 3rd standard. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 5, Fun with Microsoft Paint. The objective of this chapter is to discuss the topics: what is Microsoft Paint, how to start Paint program, how to modify a picture, resize and skew command, flip and rotate command, cropping an image, view tab, printing a drawing, and closing the paint. So today we are going to discuss the very first two topics, that is what is Microsoft Paint and how to start Paint program. Before starting the topic, let's discuss the important key terms of today's topic. Microsoft Paint, a program used to draw and color pictures. Number 2, pencil tool, used to draw freehand drawing. Next is text tool, used to insert text in pictures. Brush tool, used to draw thick lines. Magnifier tool, used to enlarge a part of the drawing. Airbrush tool, used to spray colors. Now let's start with the first topic. The first topic is what is Microsoft Paint. Children, you have already learnt about Paint program in your previous class. Paint is a simple graphic program which is used to draw and color pictures on the drawing area. So children, you all have used Paint program to draw pictures and beautiful drawings. Let's discuss some of the important features of Paint program. The first one is we can make freehand drawings. Like children, you have drawn different pictures, images or shapes in the Paint program. Next is we can draw different objects like circles, rectangles, stars, etc. Using shapes group, you can draw any shape in your drawing. Next feature is we can increase or decrease the size of the picture. Increase means big and decrease means small. So children, in the Paint program, you can change the size of a picture also. Next feature is we can fill colors in our drawing. Like you have already done, using fill with color tool, you can fill colors in your drawing. Next, we can remove unwanted parts of a drawing. Like you have used eraser tool to rub the unwanted parts of your drawing. Next feature is we can add text to the picture to make it more meaningful. Children, you have used the text tool to insert text in your drawing. Like if you want to give a name to your drawing, you can give it by using text tool option. The last feature is we can save our drawings for future use. So as you all know, save option is used to save your drawing. Now let's move to the next topic. Next topic is how to start Paint program. So children, you all are knowing the steps to start Microsoft Paint. On page number 44, you can mark these steps on your book also. So the steps to start Paint program are: number 1, click on Start button. Number 2, click on All programs. Number 3, click on Accessories. Number 4, click on Paint. Now children, we will perform these steps practically to start Paint program. So here number 1 is click on Start button. Next, click on All programs. Number 3, click on Accessories, and after that click on Paint option, and you will see the Paint window is open. Children, there is one more method to open Paint program. Let's discuss that method also. The second method to start Paint program is by double clicking on the Paint icon on the desktop. When you will double click on the Paint icon on the desktop, you will see the Paint window is open. Now let's have a look on the parts of Paint window. On the top of the Paint window, a blue color bar is there, which is known as the title bar. Title bar displays the program name and your drawing name. Next one is Paint button. The Paint button displays the options like New, Open, Save, Close and Print. Now next to the Paint button, two tabs are there. That is Home tab and View tab. Under these tabs, different groups are present like Clipboard group, Image group, Tools group, Shapes group and Colors group. Children, the tabs and group together form a ribbon. So you can say a ribbon contains two parts, that is tabs and groups. You can see here the white area, which is called as the drawing area, where you can make your drawings. Now children, come to page number 45 of your book. Here you have given a table in which different tools are there. We have already done these tools in the previous class. So let's revise the tools one by one. First is pencil tool, then eraser tool, fill with color tool, color picker tool, text tool, line tool, brush tool, magnifier tool, airbrush tool and star tool. Now children, let's have a look on the purpose of these tools practically. The very first tool is pencil tool. So under the tools group, pencil tool is present. Pencil tool is used to draw freehand drawing. Now after pencil tool, eraser tool is present under the tools group. Eraser tool is used to rub the mistakes in the drawing. Next is fill with color tool. This tool is used to fill colors in the shapes or in the pictures. After fill with color tool, the next is color picker tool. Color picker tool is used to pick a color from the picture and used it for the drawing. Now children, next is text tool. Text tool is used to insert text into the picture. You all have done these tools in the previous class. So here the next is magnifier tool. Magnifier tool is used to enlarge a part of the drawing and you can see it more closely. Next to the tools group, brushes are there. So when you will click on the drop down arrow of the brushes, you will see different group of brushes are present. All these brushes are used to draw thick lines. Under the brush group, airbrush is present. Airbrush is used to spray colors in the drawing. Next is shapes group. Under the shapes group, different shapes are present like line tool, star tool, oval tool, rectangle tool, etc. You can use these shapes to make your drawing. So children, we have revised the tools which you have already done in the previous class. Students, do you know? In the British way, the color command is spelled with COLOUR, whereas in the American way, the color command is spelled with COLOR. So, children, today we have discussed the topics what is Microsoft Paint and how to start the Paint program. Hope you all have understood the topic. We will discuss the further topics in next session. Till that, do reading of page number 44 and 45 of your book. Thank you and have a nice day.